And you can see this is our place or this is our country, namely India. Now we all of us we know in India, somewhere in this region, in this north direction actually, the famous Taj Mahal, it is situated. Wait, I will show you more clearly. Now you can see this is position of India, our country, and somewhere here Taj Mahal is situated. We know that it is situated in Agra. Now it is somewhere in this north direction actually. I hope all of you know the directions on the map. Now the position of this Taj Mahal, it is fixed. Okay, it is situated in Agra. Now if one person, if he is somewhere situated, what he think that for the direction, it is towards the north side. From somewhere in the north direction Agra is situated. That means what we can say that though that position of Agra, it is fixed one, but as the observers, they are at different places. One is in Australia, other one in Europe or Africa or South America and all. What they thinking, or from their point of view, the position or the direction of this Agra means these the diameters of the earth, so that we know the size of the earth. But actually it is not possible so as to draw these kind of lines on the surface of earth. Why this is not possible to draw these kind of lines? See, because of the oceans, then uneven nature of the land, forests and innumerable islands of different sizes, or the buildings that are constructed on the surface of earth. So actually we can't draw these lines on the surface of earth. So as to overcome with this difficulty, or so as to deal with these kind of difficulties, geographers, what they developed, a new model of the earth, and that is in the form of globe. See, I will show you the model of globe. This is nothing but globe. The small model of earth is known as globe. Now you can see here the different lines are drawn on this globe. Now this only we are going to see in this lesson, what these lines are about, what is their meaning, why they are drawn in that way particularly, which number of lines are more, the in this vertically one, or these drawn in this way in elliptical order, with what is the purpose of to draw these kind of lines and all, that also we are going to discuss in this lesson. So this is the model of globe, and this is used to determine the location on the earth. Okay, so one can actually draw horizontal and vertical lines on a globe, though not on the earth. See, these lines we can draw on this model, but actually on surface of earth we can't draw these kind of lines. So these are circle shows the surface of earth. Any point, the line joining any point on the surface of earth to the center of the earth. Okay, at the center it makes an angle with the plane of the equator. See, this yellow color plane, you can see this is nothing but the plane of the equator. The measure of this angle is used to determine the location. For example, see, the measure of the angle XMV is 30 degree. That means the angular distance of this position X with reference to the center of earth is 30 degree. Okay, see, they have mentioned here the same. The measure of angle XMV is 30 degree. That is, its angular distance from the equator is 30 degree. So similarly, for this position Y, it's the angle is 60 degree. That means the angular distance from the equator is 60 degree. Okay, this is another plane which passes through